Now let us do a solved example in which we are given a circuit in which two lamps L1 and L2 are connected with a battery of 100 volts, and we have to find the power consumed by each lamp, and also we are given the ratings of these lamp. The ratings of L1 is 200 volt 100 watt, and the rating of L2 is given as 200 volt and 200 watt. So this information is given to us and we need to find the power consumed by each lamp. So first, to solve this, we should start by finding out the resistance of each lamp. So let us say that the resistance of L1 is R1, and this can be found out by using this formula, V square upon P. On substituting the values, we will come to the value of 400 ohms. So the resistance of L1 is 400 ohms. Similarly, we can find the resistance of L2 with the same formula, 200 square divided by the power rating of L2, which is 200. So this will come out to be 200 ohms. Now the next step that we need to find out, we already have the total resistance. Now we need the current that is flowing in the circuit. So the current I that is flowing in the circuit will be equal to V by R. V is 100 and R will be both the series combination of the resistance, as the lamps are connected in series, so it will be equal to 400 plus 200. So it will come out to be 100 upon 600, or 1 by 6 ampere. So this much amount of current is flowing through the circuit. Now we can find out the power consumed by each of the lamps. So the power consumed by lamp L1 can be written as P1, and this is equal to I square R1. So 1 by 6 square, and the value of R1 is 400. So it will be equal to 400 upon 36, so 100 upon 9 watts. Similarly, power consumed by L2 will be equal to I2 R2. So this will be 200 upon 36, which will be equal to 50 by 9 watts. So these will be the two answers of this question.